ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Inspector General Jong Katanat Sipai, yada Kaput Border Security Force, Ubapet ya ke Meghalaya Frontier Hardip Singh, ha ke Pratrik Ukelalengkot Arajar Arpuway, ula ong bakatanat Sipai BSF kala persyak jor, ya ke jingsiat yap jong ke Sipai Border Guard of Bangladesh, kiba ap pahara ha Kaput, jong keri Bangladesh, ya unong India, dang Shen. Dang ha ke Arpu Kendai terik unok pra Arajar Arpo, la kenok bagi Sipai Border Guard of Bangladesh, kila siat yap ya ubay unong India, ubadai ujaj benreu garo, ya ubalatip kerteng kum utedian ji momen, ubadang sau puhinriu snem kerta, ubadai nekasnong Raznagre, kabahap hapo ke South Garo Hills District. Hakabayadai bat kani ke jingjia, uni uhe officer jong Sipai BSF, haka jingi keren bat kilat patai kubor, uliyatho, baki Sipai BSF haduk menta kidang penlong, ya ke jingtokit, halor ke jingsyak siat yap jong uniu nongsong snong keri India, haki Sipai yada Kaput jong keri Bangladesh.
The Bangladesh National Guard killed inside Bangladesh, and BSF has no role to play in that incident. So we have also conveyed to BGB that BSF neither fired, and that person was well inside Bangladesh. So we have no role to play in this. One Indian National Guard was killed, as claimed by BGP that he was inside Bangladesh. So we have roused a strong protest with the BGP of the killing of the Indian national by Bangladesh BGP. So I am hoping that we will keep the borders peaceful, and such incidents, we will control such incidents so that they should not take place. But we are still further investigating the matter, that how this Indian national was killed and crossed the line.